Sweetie, it's time for church. Oh my god.
Mama, my hand is getting tired. Can you help me finish?
Baby, I told you to do this last night, but I guess mommy can help you.
Thank you. I've been trying to clean these stupid shoes forever.
I know what you were thinking, you stinky McPoopytrons.
Hey, Dad, and I bang in the east and I bang in the west and I come and give you more.
You read a book like that?
I walk through the store
You
and...
stupid motherfucker.
Oh, my gosh. Oh, my God. Oh, oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck you, man.